eto na nga. Nung makita ko to sa YouTube, yung sa YouTube ko, pre, medyo nakakabaliw. Kasi I've been following this page. Nung dati pa, itong Genius na to, and nakikita ko dito yung mga gusto kong artist, kung ano yung mga meaning ng kanta nila, yung anong deeper meaning ng mga sinulat nilang lyrics. And when I saw the face of SB19, tapos na ang laban, pre. We're international. We're legit. So kung 18 ka, be proud and be happy because we did this, y'all. And subscribe to the channel, okay? So nandito na yung Genius. Nakakabaliw talaga. Nakikita ko sila sa Genius Verified. So makikita natin and we're gonna, actually wala na akong pakialam. I mean, meron ako konting pakialam sa meaning ng lawless, pero I'm just happy that SB19 is already here, yo. So wala na pa itong picture mo, pa-check na natin tong Genius Verified or the deeper meaning of lawless, of course. Check it out. Let's go.
You can hear pop, hip hop.
May nanalo na. Yes! Let's go. Shit. This is true, man. This is what's happening right now. This shit's crazy. May comment muna tayo, but shit. Wait lang. SB19 is the best performer in the world. Akala nyo? Rekta yan, Brad. Okay, let's go, man. This is pretty exciting.
You could hear rock, you could hear pop, hip hop.
What
You
up?
could hear rock, you could hear pop, hip hop.
R&B.
There's novelty, R&B. So we're like that. We're chaotic. We're a chaotic group.
Oh, with the OG setup, with the OG. Ganito yun eh. Pag pinapanood ko, what the heck? Nakaka-excite. Let's go.
That we're chaotic. We're a chaotic group.
Saka magkatabi si Ja at si Stel. That's good.
When we first heard the song, it really like got our attention. The focus instrument that they use, it's a guitar. Loudless. So it gave you a feeling of a Western standoff. You know,
Yeah.
like two people,
From
like
Texas.
squinted eyes, like clawing the ear.
Verse
I'm an
one.
outlaw. On the run, the road is brutal. What's your mouth? I don't need no one's approval. Keep your doubts. I'm lawless. Better be cautious. No boxes can hold the gods. No. Start a mosh pit. Well,
Basically, etong Genius kasi, kakantahin mo pa yung part mo, there's no auto-tune, you just gotta sing it a cappella. So, maririnig dito kung medyo, kung masyadong in-auto-tune mo yon, so maririnig. Diba? So, dito, maririnig din natin kung gaano kagaling. Yes! Hindi na! Let's go! Woo! You get to hear how amazing SB19 is, man.
lawless. Better be cautious. No boxes can hold the gods. No. Start a mosh pit. Well, basically, the song is about living like an outlaw. Not really, like an outlaw breaking all the rules type of outlaw, but someone who's willing to go against expectations of people, choosing the right path for you, regardless of what people say, with all the conviction that you have inside.
Holy shit.
Eating common sense, talking out of pocket, get your caught quick. Yeah, hey, you ain't got no authority. Living lawless is my priority.
We don't really
Wow!
get to care about what other people or what other the standards are, but we are not going to follow it because living lawless is actually going to be our priority, or saying it like we're going to do what we want and we're going to set what we want for our own standards. It's too obvious that you're just trying to hate to get
We have our own standards. That's why it's freaking hard to follow through with what SB19 did. Alam mo, yung mga steps na ginawa nila, kung ano yung mga ginawa nilang blueprint, it's really hard na daanan yung same na way na yon kasi sobrang taas ng standard na sinet. So you have to be really freaking good for you to be able to makapantay man lang It's crazy.
or saying it like we're gonna do what we want and we're gonna set what we want for our own standards. It's too obvious that you're just trying to hate. I get a lot of beef with people, but yeah, it happens.
It's all good.
And
We get a lot of beef with people. It's crazy. Si Unano ba? Tsaka si Unggoy ba yung natukol niya?
it's more fun.
Let it do the damage. Willow kiss savage. Oh, keep 'em singing now. Tragic, no pain the whole town.
For this point,
Umuwi na kayo. Ano bang ginagawa? Uwi! Uwi na yung iba. Ibang group, umuwi na. May nanalo na, oh. Layas! Lumayas kayo. Hindi kayo. Wala, binastos. Binastos ni Stel, pre! Uwi na!
Tragic, no pain the whole town.
for this part, basically, people who say bad things towards us or like bringing us down, we don't care, we don't listen to them. By achieving our goals and whatnot, it's like, you're trying to bring us down, but you can't. We're making our own world, we're making our own realm. So
Yeah.
we're doing it, we're winning, while you there, you're doing nothing.
Are you mad, Justin?
No. I'm
Ay, Are you mad? Oh my God. Ito palang baby ko. Ito. Ang cute-cute niya, di ba? Ang pogi, oh. Akin yan. Guys, sorry. Sorry na agad. Are you mad, Justin?
The road is rough. The road is tough.
Yeah.
Better watch your back in the land of the lawless. Can't get enough. But don't get stuck, cause there ain't no love in the land of the lawless.
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 Tang inang timbre ng boses yan. That deserves a tang ina. Yes, that's crazy. Perfect. Ang ganda ng timbre ng boses, pre. Lahat sila, pero yung timbre ng boses ni Pablo tsaka ni Ken dito is bagay na bagay sa Lawless. Lawless. The road is tough. The road. Parang mga Fernando po style yung boses na parang may pagka-husky. There's no autotune here, man. There's nothing. Nothing to hide the vocals. If you're really a good singer, they can hear. They can freaking hear it. This is I love it.
Lawless. 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 No love in the land of the lawless.
my favorite part of the song is the chorus and the hook together with the ding 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 ding. Like, it feels like I'm in a pub with lots of cowboys.
Hot.
I feel like I want to jump and party,
You imagine
Yeah.
things.
but a party that's very messy and
Ginawa niya namang rave yung pub. Ginawang rave yung pub, pre.
rowdy and just lawless.
Yeah.
Mga ngabo, mga bano, kala mo naglalaro, palabiro, palagi no, pero di lalatigo. Tell me what you gonna do when it comes for ya. Tell me what ya got in your head now.
It's actually translates to these guys thought we was playing and they are choking on their own.
Damn, did you hear the wrong grammar right there? That's street talk. That is street talk. They thought we was playing. Akala mo, kung titignan mo, gagawin grammar yan. Hindi, yan yung lingo na tinatawag kapag ka sa streets ka ng ibang bansa. Ganun sila. We was there. Alam mo yan? Parang ano din siya, parang hip-hop lingo siya na it is accepted. Napaka-angas naman talaga na-adapt nila yung culture, pare.
These guys thought we was playing.
We was
and
playing.
they are choking on their own thoughts. If you're hating on someone, it's actually insecurity already that
What?
you've been. You're hating on someone is
Oh.
actually insecurity already that you've been always following what
They're
these
doing.
guys are doing.
Yeah.
You just want to bring them down.
Yeah.
Ooh, somebody call the police. Ooh, we taking everything tonight.
ooh, and now you see the future. Breaking all the rules, yeah, we're in the tempo. Call the police. I mean, we are the future. Most people would like just stay inside the box, but they would
We are the future. Oh my God! Ba't nag-goosebumps ako sa... man. It's true though. It's true. Anong boss ni Pao pare? Napaka-bastos!
tonight. Ooh, and now you see the future. Breaking all the rules, yeah, we're in the tempo.
Now you see the future. Double meaning pala yun. Ngayon kita mo na yung kinabukasan, tapos nakikita mo na kami. Because we're the future. That's double meaning ng kinabukasan at kami. Kasi kami yung kinabukasan. Kahit ako nagugulat ako, what the heck? This is why breaking down the bars are important. Ito yung silbi ng genius. Legit. Tsaka by the way, kung kanta mo walang depth, kung ano siya, kung mediocre siya, anong gagawin ng genius sa'yo, pre? Merong mga ganun may mga na-feature na yung genius na hindi ko masyadong trip na pa. Wala namang deeper meaning but they feature them because they have clout. Pero, malalaman mo kapag mababaw lang yung kanta. Kesa meron talaga siyang meaning behind. Just like this.
Tempo. Call the police. I mean, we are the future. Most people would like just stay inside the box, but they would never know what was outside the box. There are lots of dangers and whatnot, but then you'll never know once you're out there. So
Yeah, I'm always on a road.
I thought Justin's not gonna sing, but here we go.
once you're out there, so
Yeah, I'm always on a run. All these shadows calling out my name. Can nobody hold me down? I was born to break the chains. I'm done, I'm letting go. Hey, this gone, let you know. Hey, dead luck, it's the last draw. Watch me run and lose control. So for this part, it's all about
Ba't nandito ka pa? Umuwi ka na! Uwi na yung ibang group kasi! Sakin ng Stel! Stel! Shit! I love you! I love you.
So for this part, it's all about telling people that we'll be chasing our dream. We were born to really achieve their goals and do the dream that we want. No one can hold us. We're just doing a dream. We're gonna do it, and we were born this way. So by Lady Gaga. But
Really like the whole
You got a
song. As a
pun.
producer, I really like the overall vibe of the song. It's kind of like a post-punk type of like beat.
Yeah, so that was it, man. What the heck? This is crazy. I'm so happy that SB19 is getting the praise they deserve. And, syempre pag na-feature ka dito, meaning malalim yung kanta mo, I don't know. Yung mga Last Genius ay may mga halo naman na din silang mga ibang bagay, but nevertheless, I'm still happy because this is saying something, man. We're penetrating the global market, the global space, right? And to be featured in this specific platform is saying something, specifically saying na merong nahuhukay, merong nakikita, merong matatagpuan na gento sa SB19. That's crazy. That's a bar. If you like the content, y'all, 18, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. SB19, we're proud of you. Thank you for making the Philippines proud. Because you're one, konti na lang yung nagpapasaya sa akin sa Pilipinas kasi yung Pilipinas ay, man, I don't know what's happening with the Philippines because the Philippines is crumbling right now with the politics and everything, but SB19 is giving me one of the reasons to to continue living. I'm a girl. Shout out to my girl. Yeah. So let's go. This is crazy. Subscribe, y'all. It's me, Curtis Page, and Viewmaster is amazing. Take care.